Taiwan Excellence with our celebrity leader, Isha Gupta. I thank all our brand partners for joining us. Thank you so much.
So these are our brand. Yeah.
One more time, thumbs up, let's cheers. And the moment we capture.
Wait, please.
One second.
Thank you so much everybody for joining in.
Wait, please.
Yeah, we can do that on the count of 3, 2, 1. Come on, say Taiwan Excellence. Thank you so much. Thanking all our brand partners. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody. Thank you everybody.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody. Now we're going to have excellence with Isha, a quick rapid fire. And welcome once again to Taiwan Excellence. So we are here with Excellence with Isha, a rapid fire. The first question for you. Taiwan Excellence is all about innovation. If you have to describe innovation in one word, what would it be?
I think innovation is one innovative.
Awesome. Okay, well, when it comes about fashion, and what's that one thing, comfort or glamour for you?
I think it's going to be a bit of both. I always love glamour, but it has to be.
Amazing. The next one, if you have to pick one Taiwan Excellence product to carry every day, would it be a tech gadget, home appliance, or a lifestyle accessory?
I love technology, so it will tech, but because you showed me this amazing coffee maker, and I'm an addict of coffee, I think I would always carry it. It's so portable, so I'll always have the coffee maker from Taiwan Excellence and tech.
Amazing. The next one must-have item in your bag. No matter wherever you go, that item is always with you.
Very funnily, my passport.
To be honest. The next one, your favorite way to unwind after a busy day. It's going to be a Netflix or a spa or a workout.
Honestly, neither of them. I think if I want to unwind, I just want my babies, my two beautiful dogs that I have. I don't like to call them dogs, pets at home, Button and Bella. I only need them, and of course, training, lots of training.
We keep seeing all these posts on your Instagram page. The last one message you would like to give to all your fans on the lifestyle of innovation.
Well, lifestyle of innovation, guys, I just like to say keep up with the ball and to keep up with this goal, which I think we both agree and everyone agrees, is to make sure that your mental and physical health are in shape so you can keep up with the new age technology and you don't get lost. So continue with that.
Thank you so much. That's all about for Excellence with Isha. Pleasure having you here for this rapid fire. Okay, we have something more for you. Yes, on to next. He has been impatiently waiting for this moment to be captured. And we have a special message from Fuber. Isha would like to request you to please read this message.
थोड़ा सेंटर करवा लो प्लीज सेंटर करवा लो सेंटर
Hi guys, join Fuber tomorrow for the big report at 1:30 p.m. right here at Bharat Mandira. Fuber and me.
मनोज सेंटर करवा लो
Okay, well, we have a Fuber and he's creating a record of maximum high fives given to him by the people here at Taiwan Expo, because this is a part of a beautiful social initiative by Taiwan Excellence called Give Me Five. It's all about simple act of high five, spreading positivity, warmth and community spirit. And that's exactly what Fuber is doing here at the Expo. Give the high five and we're going to record them. And the winner for the congratulations Piyush for grabbing this Win Expo project.
Wait, please.
ब्लॉक में रख देना
Once again, thank you, Isha, and congratulations, Piyush. Okay, the winner wants a picture with Adi. Okay, great here. Thank you so much for being a part. Isha, it's a pleasure having you here for Taiwan Excellence. So stunning your look, and thank you for cooperating with us. Thank you so much. I hope you had amazing time here. Thank you so very much. We'd like to have a last message from you.
I would like to thank Taiwan Excellence for having me, and thank you for introducing us and the world to the great technology, the creative technology, keeping ahead with the times, and introducing us to the amazing part of Taiwan and becoming interested. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
नहीं पता नहीं सेम मैसेज कैमरा
Can we have Mr. Brian?
Hi, this is Isha.
Yeah, Brian, let's have a picture.
That's just us? Okay,
थोड़ा सा पीछे आ जाओ
Wait, please.
So, well, ladies and gentlemen, that's our very own Isha Gupta, Taiwan Excellence.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
आराम से पुश बंद करें किसी को